Good morning, I'm Sue Spargo and welcome to Bits and Pieces Week 15. I can't believe we're nearly a third of the way through this, but I'm loving all my blocks accumulating on my design wall and can't wait to start shuffling them around and seeing how to put them together. So this week we're using two new colors, this peachy color, which is called Dark Peach, and Baby's Breath, which I think must be, is just the very pale color here. So that's great. The rest of them you're going to cut out of your scraps. So hopefully you're using up some of those scraps, and we just have a few that we've added this last month. So again, we're doing half square triangles. We did those last week. Remember to cut your squares 3 3/4. You're going to mark them, and so either side of the diagonal mark line, and then you're going to press them open and then trim them to 3 inches, and then you will piece them together so that they are opposite each other like this. And so you get some fun things, like depending on where you put your color. You can see these are dark on the outside, this is more these are one in the inside, and then we've used a softer solid color here, so they look totally different. And being sort of linear, again, I chose to do a circular design. So back to our circle templates. So this is the 3 inch. So again, what's nice about these templates, you've got a dot in the center, so you can center it really well, but you can also center it on your lines on the outside, on your seam allowances, so that you can get your circle nice and centered. So that's how I did that one. Over here, I marked so that I brought the halfway line up on the edge, and then marked here. So I did sort of 4 semicircles, just starting a 1/4 inch in, so that once we sew it together, then it'll be against the seam allowance right there. And then I also used the 2 1/2, and I got that 2 of them right there down the center. So fun, I think. I love the thread too. It picked up all the colors here with a little bit of purple, which is just so fun. And this is number 3 EZM 106. So that worked really well on that color combination. So yes, again, I'm loving seeing all your designs and color choices that you've got in the Facebook group. Please join us there and post your pictures. It's so good to see what everyone is doing, and it's inspiring. That's what I love about all the classes that I teach. They're creative, and people can change things up a little bit and sort of give it your own little touch, which is sort of fun. Hoping that I'm giving you enough guidelines to be able to follow along and have a good base to work on. So take care, have a great week, and I will see you for week 16 next Wednesday.